Real sure you ain't new to this. Laugh and do some cute shit. Music sends you beauty or peak. Hoping not to give away the haze in my window. Why you acting like it's just alright? Okay. Still in bed to the floor behind closed doors. Picky and you love me, I'm your type. Hey. Setting through your eyes twice, ready or not. Can you keep a secret? I can keep eyeing from top. Beautiful, you flamingo bow. Why tempted to get me right now? Watch the wrong island, supposed to keep this private. I don't wanna be like anyone else, no I don't. You can tell through the pillar I tone, or behind closed doors. If somebody's gonna she moaning, get me right in the rising. Soon as the door open, life full of future surprises. We know explanations, only for the needy. We steady earning, but I feel being outside of the nigga. What's the price being worried about yourself? Spoil on the accolades, persecution mentality, setting these on my collar. Too strange how to me, busting my free mind to the ninth high limits like my never been raised high. Beautiful, tempted to get me right now. Place it up on my island, just to keep this bright.
I'm on me, some meditation. Help me before we drive. Follow along, this your vacation. Eventually you'll fry. I know you walked in with some expectation. That still going makes you leave much quicker. How attached your less to leave much bigger. How I saw you if you think she ugly. Can't be nonchalant with my nigga. Shopping, hippin', ferocious energy, I mind it. You can live alone, just trying to chip with be as private. I want you not blinded.
Beautiful, you flamingo pole. Why tempted to get me right now? Washed up on island, chose to keep this private.